When I think about the way we used to be.
Good morning. I am Chitraveni Sujeevan. Gandhian Codes of Education. By education, I mean an all-round drawing of the best in child and man in body, mind and spirit. If we want to reach real peace in this world, we should start educating children. The object of basic education is the physical, intellectual and moral development of children through the medium of a handicraft. Education in the understanding of citizenship is a short-term affair if we are honest and earnest. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Alia S. About Mahatma Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar. He is also known as the father of the nation. He was the most respected spiritual and political leader. His father was Karamchand Gandhi. He was the Diwan of Porbandar. His mother was Putli Bai. At the age of 13, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was married to Kasturba. Gandhi, also popular as Bapu, introduced non-violence to the world, which resulted in the United Nations General Assembly to observe his birthday as the International Day of Non-Violence. Gandhi always believes that the education is the most powerful weapon in this world for the new generation to achieve better fundamental right. Subhash Chandra Bose called Gandhi as the father of the nation. Friday is the mostly associated with Gandhi's life. India got independence on a Friday. He died on January 30th, 1948 at Delhi. Happy Gandhi Jayanti. Let us all follow the path of truth and wisdom and pay homage to our father of the nation on this day. Thank you.
Mahatma Gandhi had born in Hindu family on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar in Gujarat. 1913, Gandhiji's activists and arrests in South Africa. Gandhiji establishes Sabarmati Ashram in 1970. 1920 to 1922 Non-Cooperation Movement. It was a political campaign launched on 4 September 1920 by Gandhi to have Indians revoke their cooperation from the British government, with the aim of inducing the British to grant self-governance and full independence to India. 1921, Gandhiji is given exclusive authority over the Indian National Congress. The Salt March, which took place from March to April 1930 in India, was an act of civil disobedience led by Gandhiji to protest British rule in India. Quit India movement in 1942. The Indian National Congress passed a resolution. United Kingdom passes the India Independence Act in 1947. Mahatma Gandhi undertook his last fast on 12 January 1948 at the age of 78. Thank you.
Gandhian Codes on Education. If we want to reach real peace in this world, we should start educating children. By education, I mean an all-round drawing of the best in child and man in body, mind and spirit. Education which doesn't mold character is absolutely worthless. Leave us if you were to die tomorrow, learn us if you were to live forever. True education must correspond to the surrounding circumstances or it is not a healthy growth. What is really needed to make democracy function is not knowledge of facts but right education. You must be the change you wish to see in the world. Literacy in itself is not education. Literacy is not the end of education or even the beginning. By education, I mean an all-round drawing out of the best in the child and man body, mind and spirit. Basic education links the children, whether of the cities or the villages, to all that is best and lasting in India. The future depends on what we do in the present. There are 2 days in the year that we cannot do anything, yesterday and tomorrow.
Good morning. I am Avani Sajeevan, Gandhian Codes of Education. By education, I mean an all-around drawing of the best in child and man in body, mind and spirit. If we want to reach real peace in this world, we should start educating children. The object of basic education is the physical, intellectual and moral development of children through the medium of a handicraft. Education in the understanding of citizenship is a short-term affair if we are honest and earnest. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Shifana S. Latif. Gandhiji Codes of Education. If we want to reach real peace in this world, we should start educating children. Literacy is not the end of education or even the beginning. The aim of university education should be to turn out true servants of the people. I swear that bad handwriting should be religion as a sign of an imperfect education. Thank you.
Good morning, I am Avani Sajeevan. The real name of Mahatma Gandhi is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born in Porbandar on the 2nd of October in 1869. His parents were Karamchand Gandhi and Putalibai. The former was the Chief Minister of Porbandar at that time. Mohandas Gandhi's marriage was planned around the time he was 13 years old. He was married to Kastur Kapadia, who later changed her name to Kasturba Gandhi after the marriage. They were married in the year 1883. Kasturba was 14 years old then. Mohandas Gandhi and Kasturba Gandhi had 4 children. All of them were boys. Their names were Harilal, Manilal, Ramdas and Devdas. Gandhiji studied law from the University of London to become a barrister. Gandhiji fought hard for civil rights in South Africa. Gandhiji considered Gopal Gokhale as his political mentor. The name Mahatma was given to Gandhiji by Rabindranath Tagore. Gandhiji launched movements like non-cooperation, civil disobedience against the British. Gandhiji gave famous slogans like "Do or Die" and "British Leave India." Gandhiji was a priest of truth and non-violence. He wanted to establish Ramrajya in India, but his desire could not be fulfilled, and on 13 January 1948, Nathuram Godse shot Gandhiji, due to which he
Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, India. He is also known as the Father of Nation. He was the most respected spiritual and political leader. His father was Karamchand Gandhi. He was the Diwan of Porbandar. His mother was Putalai Bai. At the age of 13, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was married to Kasturba at her 14th age. Gandhi, also popular as Bapu, introduced non-violence to the world, which resulted in the United Nations General Assembly to observe his birthday as the International Day of Non-Violence. Many countries observe 13th January as Day of Non-Violence and Peace. India is popular across the world for introducing non-violence to us have the objective. Mahatma Gandhi returned to India in 1950 from South Africa. In 1920, Gandhiji became a member of Indian National Congress. As a part of the independence struggle, Gandhiji launched Kheda Satyagraha, Champaran Satyagraha, Salt Satyagraha, Quit India Movement, etc. This movement helps to India freedom. He died on January 13, 1948 at Delhi. Respected teachers and my dear friends, a warm good morning to one and all. It's a special pleasure for me to be here today. I'm here to speak a few words on the topic relevance of Gandhian values in modern society. I hope all of us here today share a sense of common commitment. I may begin my thoughts with what Albert Einstein, the famous scientist, said about Gandhiji. Generations to come, it may be, will scarce believe that such a one as this ever in flesh and blood walked upon this earth. We are proud that a man like Gandhiji was born in India and he is our father of nation. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born in Porbandar in Gujarat on October 2nd, 1869. After his study in law in England, he worked in India for 2 years and then went to South Africa as legal advisor of a company. Gandhiji fought against the racial discriminations faced by the Indians there peacefully. Later, he returned to India and joined hands with Indian freedom fighters. Gandhiji was a man of peace. He always advocated not violence. He was known for his fearlessness. That is why he could finish against a mighty power like the British. He was always guided by truthfulness. He influenced millions of people in India in varying degrees. Gandhian values become more relevant today since many of Indian politicians have been corrupted to the core. Nowadays, it's a common news that political parties influence the leaders of their opposition parties by offering huge amount of money and other material comforts. His call for action was twofold. One involved in challenging and resisting foreign rule, the other was fighting against our own social evils. His principal aims were freedom through peaceful means, national unity, solution of minority problems, improvement of the depressed classes, and the ending of untouchability. While Gandhi fought for unity among Indians, some organizations are trying to divide India on communal grounds now. While Gandhi dreamed of an India where there are no drinks and drugs, many governments are promoting the same. Hence, Gandhian thoughts have more relevance today. Gandhi was not just a national figure but an international one. In 1948, he was killed by a fanatic named Nathuram Godse. When he died, Nehru said that the light has gone away from India. As we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti, we can pledge that we will follow the path of peace, fearlessness, truthfulness, and tolerance which guided Gandhiji all his life. We should join our hands to fight against corruption that is the curse of Indian democracy. That is the greatest tribute we can pay him. With these few words, I end my talk. I have only been able to share some of my views with you. I thank all of you for the patient hearing. Jai Hind.
Hi everyone, I am Ananya. Mahatma Gandhi, Mahatma Gandhi, he is the father of our nation. He is the father of our nation. The man of honesty, the man of greatness, he is the one who had set us free. He is the one who had set us free. He fought our freedom with non-violence and truth. He was freedom fighter and great leader. He was freedom fighter and great leader. Thank you.